Hello and welcome to this Windows InTune demonstration. Today I'm going to show you some steps that you will take the very first time you start using Windows InTune. These steps include downloading your client software, checking for PCs, adding them into groups, and creating Windows InTune policies. To get started, you need to log on using a Windows Live ID that has been registered for the Windows InTune service. During sign-in, a secure SSL session is set up to the Windows InTune service so that communications from the browser to the cloud service are secure and encrypted. The administration console has three main panels: the navigation panel to the left, the information panel in the middle, and the task panel over to the right. Using these panels, I can find the information and tasks I need to manage my environment. For example, one of the first steps you'll want to take is to download your client software. Once you have that, you'll be able to join computers to your environment and start managing them. So if I click on the Administration tab and then select Client Software Download, Windows InTune uses this client software to establish the initial connection and ongoing management communications. This allows you to manage a computer regardless of the computer's domain or workgroup membership. As you can see, the software can be installed on 32-bit and 64-bit operating systems, and it's supported on all business editions of Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 7. This Windows installer package is just under 9 megabytes in size. I could run this file directly from the browser if I wanted to install the client on this PC, or I could save it on a network drive or thumb drive and run it from there on all computers I wish to manage. I could also automate the deployment to many machines using techniques such as logon scripts or group policy software installation. For now, I'll close this down as I've already downloaded this and used it to enroll a PC into the environment. If I click on the Computers tab, I can see which computers are enrolled into my environment. When you first log into the service, you will see the All Computers and Unassigned Computers groups. These are default groups that provide a way for you to view all the managed computers or just computers that have not been assigned to a group that was created by the administrator. So now I can see the computer I recently added. Notice you have an option to retire a computer here. This is what you would do if you wanted to remove a computer from the managed environment. However, for now I want to create a new group to add this computer to. So from the overview screen, I'll select Create Computer Group. When I click this task, I can create a new group. I'll set this up for the Seattle office. Under the parent group, I'll select All Computers so that this group appears at the top level. Now I'll scroll down until I can see the Members section of the page. Here I'll click Add, and then I can select the computer that I wish to add to the group. Now I click OK and Create Computer Group. And you can see here the Seattle office group has been created. The next step I want to show you is how to create a Windows InTune policy. The Policies workspace allows you to create standard policies that you can assign to groups in your environment. The settings in these policies will control the Windows InTune agents to allow you to set standards that can be applied to many computers. So here I'll create a new policy. As you can see, there are three types of policy I can create. The first of these is the Windows InTune agent settings. I can assign a name, I can set settings such as the malware schedule scan time, Microsoft SpyNet configuration, as well as control the Microsoft update schedule and how they're assigned to users. Now I can save this policy and I'll be asked if I wish to deploy the policy now. If I select yes, I can select the group or groups that I want to assign this policy to. This policy is now in effect and will be applied to the computers assigned to the Seattle group. Next, let's take a look at the Windows InTune Center policy. The Windows InTune Center settings allow you to configure the contact information that will appear in the Windows InTune Center on the client computers. So here you can set details such as email addresses, telephone numbers for clients to contact if they have a problem. Finally, if you ever need help while using the Windows InTune console, just click here. This will take you to our comprehensive online help service. That completes this demonstration for getting started with Windows InTune. I hope it's helped you to understand some of the initial tasks you can perform when you first start using the service.